Hi there, Sarah from Glow Skin Body here. Today I'd like to introduce you to Dermalogica's new Redness Relief Essence. This is designed for skins that are sensitive, irritated, show visible redness, or where the skin has been compromised in some way. The Redness Relief Essence has replaced the Ultra Calming Mist, and as much as I was a fan of the Ultra Calming Mist, I am absolutely loving the Redness Relief Essence and how it feels on my skin. When we talk about an essence, it's actually a hybrid product, and in this situation, it's a cross between a toner and a serum. It has the light hydration element to that of a toner, yet it contains a concentration of active ingredients to that of a serum, to really provide an instant calm to the skin, yet with the delivery of more active ingredients into the skin. There is a complex of wonderful ingredients in the Redness Relief Essence to really help you manage your skin sensitivity. It's in an aloe vera juice base, which provides a hydrating, refreshing and cool feel to the skin and instantly makes the skin feel more comfortable. Colloidal oatmeal, licorice root extract and vitamin E really calm, soothe and balance the skin by reducing the redness, the irritation, whilst at the same time it really strengthens the skin, combating that flushing and blushing appearance. For those of you with fair skin, fair hair, allergies and prone to redness and sensitivity, then the Redness Relief Essence is going to be your staple product in your daily home care routine. If you are experiencing a flare-up or any changes to your skin, then we recommend you use the Redness Relief Essence until your skin calms and feels strong again. It's really easy to use. Simply shake the bottle and then you're going to dispense a couple of drops of the essence into your hand and then press it gently on the skin. It feels amazing, it feels really cool, really calm, and instantly refreshes your skin. You're going to finish off with your ultra calming serum of your choice that's been prescribed for you, and make sure you finish with your SPF as well. So to purchase the Redness Relief Essence, simply visit our website, glowskinbody.com.au, or click on the link below. We'll see you again next time.